Hi, this is Jo. Welcome to my series on Crochet Basics, and we're going to start with the most important thing of all, which is your crochet hook. As you can see, we've got 4 different types of hooks here, because there's all different sorts, and some are going to suit you better than others. Personally, I know a lot of people that use these ones, which are just very, very straight, and they really enjoy working with them. Personally, I don't work so well with them. I need to have something slightly more ergonomic, which is like these 3. So this one is the one we're going to be working with today, and I like it because you've got the grip, so it fits your hand a little bit more. You can also buy ones like these that are ordinary crochet hooks that are then moulded using polymer clay to make these lovely patterned crochet hooks. There's some beautiful shops online that sell these, but they're really lovely. Yes, they are straight, but because they've got this widened bit on the handle, they're still what I would say ergonomic, and they're really nice to work with as well. The only problem with them is you don't have a massively long hook point to work with, so sometimes you need to take that into consideration. And then lastly, this is one I've discovered very recently. I was needing a size, I think it's a 7 crochet hook, no, size 8, and I found this one online. It's by Prim, it's about P-R-Y-M, and they make lots of crafting, textile crafting tools and instruments, and they have this ergonomic hook, which is all one piece. It's not 2 pieces, it's one piece with plastic grip on the handle, and it's shaped really nice. And I have to say that in the future, when I need to buy a hook, this is the one I'm going to go for, because it's so lovely shaped and it really does fit your hand nice. You don't even know you're using it. It's so lovely to use. It's lovely and light as well, because we've got to look after our hands and wrists when we're crocheting a lot. So that is my current favourite. So how you hold the hook is entirely up to you. I've seen lots of people hold it in different ways. Personally, I just hold it like that. You can see, just like that. Other people hold it like that, like a pen, like you're writing. And I've even seen somebody doing it like they're knitting, which is a bit weird. But they're the 2 main ways. But I would say, and I'll let you in on a secret, there is no right or wrong way to hold your hook. Just hold it however you feel comfortable holding it. Practice, play around with it, hold it, do some different stitches, and just see which way suits you. And as I said, doesn't hurt or strain your wrist or your hand. And there you go.